Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this console table that I'm about to put together. And so if you are shopping this console table or another one, but particularly this one, you'll have an idea of what to expect once you bring everything out of the box. Now, it does ship in a pretty heavy box. You know, one strong adult can probably lift it or push it. However, it's probably a good idea to have two sets of hands when handling it. But here are the pieces. You can see that there are very minimal pieces, right? So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm assuming this is going to be the base. This will probably be the top. This will be the front, and this is going to be the two sort of support pieces that are kind of bringing everything together. You can see this middle piece has these really nice rock crystals. I think it's going to look really nice once everything is all done. You can also see that it has this mirrored accent around the sides, and there's plenty of glass on this guy, so make sure you are handling this with extreme care. Because you don't want to break this during the assembly, and you don't want it broken before you even begin the assembly. Here's the instruction manual and hardware pieces, and here I noticed that all of the hardware is exactly the same, so you're not going to have to organize different hardware pieces and get confused. Everything looks to be the same, so that's a major plus. And in the assembly manual, you can see that there's only 6 steps total, right, which is a good thing as well. It means you're not going to be here for very long. And they also have this column here that shows you how to properly orient pieces, which is also great. And then here's a parts list where you can take a quick inventory check just to make sure you have everything. So like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I also have 5 pieces here, so that means we're good to go. Hey guys, so with very minimal pieces, all the same hardware, this should probably take me, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes to assemble. I do have my work cut out for me, so I'm going to show you guys a finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this accent table that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembly is that this table is awesome. So if you are shopping this table or another one, but this one in particular, you'll have a much better idea of what you can expect and make a more informed purchasing decision. So there is glass and mirrored accents through and through this entire table, and is really screaming glam, really screaming luxury. So if you're into this particular style, this one really may be for you. So like I said, there's nice glass through and through, super shiny and super sturdy. So this isn't a light kind of cheap table. Now the base of this table is really heavy, really strong, and so that's what's going to keep this table from tipping over or anything like that. And all the different sections of the table are pretty sturdy as well. So they have the base. We have this sort of connecting piece that connects the base to this middle accent, to the connector piece, and to the top of the table. So through and through, it's pretty well built, I would say. If you get up a little bit closer, you can see the really nice rock crystals. Very beautiful, very nicely accented. And so this thing definitely screams luxury, definitely screams glam. So it's definitely going to be the most eye-catching centerpiece, I think, in whatever room it's going to be in. So I'm going to give you a quick glance of the glass. You can see that the mirror, very nice on the top. Also, you can see the mirrored pieces right here as well, and then on the bottom. Now, as for the assembly, it's actually one of the highlights of this entire process, I guess I would say. It took me literally about 10 minutes to assemble, and it was very easy step by step. All of the bolts are exactly the same, so you're not fidgeting between longer bolts and shorter bolts or nails and screws or anything like that. It's all the same exact bolt with washers, and it's very easy to put together. Like I said, it took me 10 minutes, and it does come with an Allen key, and here is that Allen key. You can literally use this Allen key and get it done in just about 10 minutes. So that's a really good part of the process. You don't have to worry about a long and extended assembly process. It's very short. So all in all, I really like this table. It looks really nice. The glass is very high quality. It's got that really gorgeous centerpiece right there with the rock crystals. The assembly process was super easy. It comes with all the tools that you need to get it assembled. And again, everything comes together in all about 10 or 15 minutes, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I would highly recommend this accent table to anyone looking for this style of table. Go ahead and check it out, and I will see you on the next review.